today I'm going to talking about what are we doing now, what's for the next, because I'm getting a message from the different country, what's going on. I'm very confused. I feel flat, and there are so many different layered of things. That's why we have a little bit of cancellation of a Zoom meeting. So this kind of a cancellation make people like confused and skeptical. So that's why I host a Zoom meeting tonight. So everyone, we are all on the same page. So you can see 0.2, the phase is 35 days, 9 hours, 90 minutes, 45 seconds, 44, 43, 42. The reason we added on the even the sec, because you can see exactly what's going on. Once countdown starts, everything will be happening. So this is how I start today, because some of the people, they just joined maybe yesterday, but a lot of leaders here, they joined 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago. So before I go anything, I only one thing say, so many projects closed down for in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even 5, 6 months. But Noah, since they launched, it's been almost the 20th of November. It'll be 1 year anniversary day. So we're going to have a very good day on 20th of November, because obviously though we are not a Web3 yet. Some of the people, the Noah is the DAO project and Web3 project. Now we are, as we can see here, I just share this one. We do have the 4 different roadmaps. So we have the stage 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are here the stage 1, which is Web3. So once they go to the stage 2, we're going to swap to the Web3. It means it's going to be everything is on the chain. Speaking of the on chain, many people ask me, many leaders ask me, Jim, when is a white paper come along? Where is a white paper? But as I said, paper. As I said, the white paper mean all the writing on the paper. It doesn't mean anything. Paper can be changed anytime. So we need to see whatever things happening on the chain. So please don't focus on the white paper. You will see on the chain with your eyes, and then you don't need to worry about it. So that's the first thing. And actually, what we are now, still people confuse what's going on. So I will explain the step by step a little bit, and then you might understand better. Most of people, they might already know, but some of people, they still confused. So that's why I said it. The first of all, at the beginning, even now, I always say that we adopt the 2 of the economic model to run the Noah model. So first of all, obviously, we all know this is one of the economic model. We adopt the one of the China battery company, which has been running last 4.5 years, still running. That's why we adopt this economic model. So when you get one NFT, you get 0.12x coin for 500 days. This is one of the economic model we have adopt. And second one is going to be when the stage 2 happen, we were going to use one of the economic model called Olympus DAO model. Yeah, Olympus DAO model, most successful project, it's called the Origin. Yeah. But after Origin, because of Origin running so well, in my knowledge, there is more than 4 projects came along in a year. And except the WebKey, none of the project is it's not going well, because every single economic model has a pro and con. Only Origin, yes, is a good incomes and all sort of good thing, but however, because of the oversupply, because there is no ecosystem, because of the inflation happening, the price of coins keep dropping. Yeah. And because of Origin, we setting up the community quite well. So that's why 1 year and 8 months later until now still going on. But most of them, some of them closed, some of them have coin price less than so little. So what we are thinking, okay, everything we didn't have the release white paper on the chain. So rather than we go for another Olympus DAO model, we're gonna adopt some of the better model, which is we're going to use the rough model. Yeah, I will explain later. So that's a two economic model we has adopt on the NOAA. So when we show the white paper and on the chain, you will see everything is by your eyes in the any country you can looking at. And also another thing you say, oh, I remember Coco Present once this 300,000 NFT sold out, the coin will release and then the people stacking, all sort of stuff. Yes, I did because we were going to go to Olympus DAO model. But when we almost sold out the NFT in the back office part or management part, they realized there's a few things it's not make a sense. That's why we have the DAO model, DAO meeting, which is the whoever level 3, we have the meeting between them. So we make decision which way we need to go. So I will explain from that. We are here, everyone are here for what we are here for. We want to here for the make money, for the better life. But thing is, we are not here. I can't make you, not me, even the Noah. If we can't make every single person happy. Yes, some of them very happy because they have a still chance to get an NFT. Some of the people they are not happy because they wait so long. They wait the token list on the exchange. They want to make it money out of that. Some of the people wait such a long time to they want to think, okay, every 8 hour I get this every single 8 hour 0.3% compounding, and then my income is this. Yes, they always imagination make them feel happy. But when this one is not happen, they feel so disappointed. I understood. I feel you because I was one of them. Because oh my God, I know how much I could make money, blah 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 blah. But the end, we need to choose something better than what we have. That's why we just switch before everything is on the chain. So I will explain step by step what we have changed. Okay, if if we go forward for the stage 2 after sold out this NFT, there's a few things come along. The first will be what's going to do. GameFi was going to launch. GameFi is we were going to selling another NFT period, and which is NFT period. Obviously, if you buy the NFT, you get X coin. This is a different thing is than this one. But which one X coin is from this part? Economical construction part, 25% over 30 million, which is 7.5 mil. The NOAA was supposed going to happen, this one. But we swap. Okay, rather than we use this one, get rid of this one, utilize all this 3.5 mil, we keep doing NFT sale. Because few reasons. When they checked, that was 3 weeks ago, the IP pool was 2.5 something mil of US dollar in IP pool. But while we have the people, they hold X coin as the number of X coin is almost as close to 2 mil. So when we list on the exchange, the price one much change, maybe 1.45 something. So, and some people they might sell, price might be the same as now. So rather than that, we can make the bigger LP pool to make our LP pool healthier, nicer. Then when we launch stage 2, everyone will be happy. No matter what happens, any DeFi project, LP pool is very important. So that's why, okay, rather than we selling an NFT part, the GameFi, we still use this part to keep the stage 1 selling an NFT. So that's the first one reason. Second reason, many leaders, they were confused and maybe I explained wrong or they setting up the wrong account, how they do that. I always say because in NOAA, you get 100% from ROI from your downline. However, it doesn't mean you get more X coin. No, you get X coin faster. It means once we sold out, you can't get all your X coin, you were supposed to get it from your ROI, from the downline. So we give another chance to top up your top account. That way you don't miss out. Because some people maybe level 2, level 3, but they don't have enough NFT, so they don't get all the reward. So that's the second reason we're gonna continue selling an NFT. So this is we happen in the DAO model. So these two things. However, yes, but we're not gonna wait. Okay, when you say 7.5 mil, it means we each of the NFT we give a 60 X coin. It means 125 NFT we need to sold out. But I won't say need to, because we do have a countdown date. Rather than just leave it until we sold, we only setting up the day for 45 days. So once this 45 days is finished, and then this all the stage 2 will happen. So NFT rental, the pledge loan, the contract battle, and then the one another ecosystem will happen, which we're going to go Olympus DAO model, or we're gonna switch to new model LAF. So I will explain this one. Okay. So I hope you understand. So go to the second two. When the 45 day, okay, 35 day, 9 hour, 8 minute, 51 second later, our economic model will be start, and then one of them is rapid model start. I'm sure I get more than 12 messages from the different leader. Coco, I want to join the RAF. I will check the RAF. Blah, blah, blah. So many things. I understood. My husband looked at this RAF model last 7 months. Do you think my husband invests this RAF model? No. He looked at so many different models, not only one RAF model. Many projects. He just looking. Because what's the better way? Because he is one of the DAO person, and he never into any project. He not gonna join this. But do you know how many Rafi model out there? So many. As I say, after origin, there is more than 4 or 5 projects came along. After Rafi model, do you know how many Rafi model come along? In my hands, I've got here DM, LF, and SF, Rocks, Aura, Natural 5. What else? There's one more I forgot. There are more than 5, 6 model, 5 model, the rapid model come along. One thing I say, okay, Dr. Abu, where are you? So many little look for the Dr. Abu. Why he doesn't answer? Because he will say exactly same as what few leaders say. Dr. Abu is in China. He will be in China until this stage 2 or happen, until this stage 2.0 will be settled and stable. What he's doing now, he catch up with all the behind the person of each of the project. Yes, I catch up with each of the consultant, how they explain what sort of rapid model they pick up. They didn't choose exactly what. Even the rapid model they sell, there is a pro and con. So each of the project has got a little bit of difference over rapid model taking. So I catch up, Dr. Abu catch up, other head of Chinese person catch up with these people behind the boss, behind the developer, whoever. So we take a look all of this rapid model, and then we're gonna we're gonna use all we make an enhanced version of the rapid model go forward or 2.0. That is what Dr. Abu doing. That's what I have been doing. That is what other people who is the head of Chinese community person and the developers, because the developer, they couldn't copycat. There are so many copycat projects, but copycat project just is a copycat. So we're gonna create enhanced version of the rapid model, so every single person will be happy. So one thing what I'm going to say is that Now, talking about the money. Yes, very important talking about money.
Coco, sorry
Yes.
to interrupt you.
Yeah.
We are not understanding what model is the one you're saying. Ruffy, what is it? Can you write it, please?
When you go, yep, this is a rough. So,
this
yes,
is what?
this
I
is
know
called
lab.
rough. Yep.
Yeah,
So
the
some
lab.
people call that roughy, some people call rough. Everyone call different. And then obviously when you go to the, okay, let's go forward. The reason I'm just a bit skeptical to this mention about, because when I mention that, people all go, oh, Coco, I want to join the rough model or this stuff. When you go here, when you look at the graph, this is only one way. It's go up. Yep. They only go up, go up. This is the model we're gonna adopt. And there are a couple of different projects from this Rafi model, which is, we say, the Olympus DAO model, this model. So this is one of them we are going to adopt, but not everything. We just make an enhanced version because of every project has a pro and con. So the reason I just said it very short, because there's so many, Gene, I want to buy the RAF, Gene, I want to join the RAF, and this and that. That's why just a bit, just to make a short. What's a Rafi model is like the most of the DeFi project, many different OSM. As soon as they launch, the graph of any token goes shoot and then down. Some of them, any project will be different, but this is a normal. So what we're trying to do, we want to go slowly, start up and up and up and up. That's what we're trying to do. How we do that? Do you need to have a control over the put the money in the App pool, control over the people to deposit rather than deposit at all at once and go price drop. So I will go to explain step by step every time we go through the Zoom meeting, but I'm not here to explain about what's going to be rough and happen. Because if I still going on there, just still message me, Gene, I want to join the Rafa model. Do you have the ring? This. But if you want to join one of this project, I can give all the different people of the project. You can try. But I'm not saying that, okay, go for the I'll say, make your teams because Rafi model is great, whatever. But I just want you to test. Yeah, just see how it go. And then see if you think is great. Oh, this is how the Rafi model going on. So when NOAA 2.0 start, you already understood what is a Rafi model, and then you can go further. So maybe this Sunday I will explain better of this. Then you can follow me or just see stuff. So today, as I mentioned, that I'm not gonna go forward on and on and on and on. I'm just explain what is now, what is the next. We are not here just ignoring everyone, because as I say, you can see the back office, you can see the every single day is a drop, and then you will see the NFT still selling very fast, and then only 30 days it is available. After 35 days, you can't buy NFT anymore. So even though you have a level 2, level 3, if you don't have enough NFT, you can't get any ROI from the downline, reward from your downline. So that's why when you have the time, when you have the opportunity to buy the NFT, please buy the NFT, and then you can get most of the benefit. Because the price of the NFT, price of Xcoin is not going to stay where we are now. The price of Xcoin will increase. That's how we try to make the better model for 2.0. Yes, yeah. And also, I was asking, some of the leaders asked me, Jin, now things are a little bit of change. Can I have an updated PDF file or something stuff? But as I said, we are making a 2.0 PDF file, PowerPoint, but obviously we just, as I say, enhanced version of the 2.0. So it will take a time. We're not going to change because I don't want leaders confused. So I want to use this one until we 2.0 PDF file come along, and then you will see the better version of 2.0. So I really hope you guys have a little bit of trust and then stay with us, be patient. And I'm sure at the end of the Christmas season, you'll be very happy for that. And the next year, the year after, end of this time of the next year, you'll be more than happy because I show my face, I present, and then I have a belief of the Noah. So I really hope you are all on the same page, and then we can go forward for being being believer for the Noah. So this is a today for me. And any question?
Can you go over the V ranks, please?
This one?
Yes, that.
V rank. Okay, here. Now we have the V1 to V5, and which is depend on the small group, small community. When you have the more than 1,000 NFT, you get 10% from whatever they get from the small leg. So for example, if you have the maybe 3 line, you have the 500 or 700. But obviously one of them, this is a big leg, this is 2 is a small leg. So because the 1200, so you will be the level 1. So you get 10% from whatever, obviously 1200, you get the sum of the times 0.12x coin, which is 0. something. You get 10% from what they get every single day. So this is the with a level bonus. But I really hope if you can, I really want you to push to the level 3 because level 1, level 2 is it's still good. But when you become a level 3, you get 45% from the small leg reward ROI, and then you get 6% from the every new sale. So this is quite a lot. So I want you guys to push to V3. But don't worry, if you can't become a level, the V1 to V2, V3, it's fine. You can become a level anything from when stage 2 happen. Because once this stage 2, which is a Rafi model, and then once we start from this one, it's a different marketing going on. So no one hold 2 different marketing. You still keep your level, so you still get all this benefit, and while another level will be happen. But whatever DAO model or DAO meeting happen, this level above this level 3, you always include. So you will have a big power to make decision. You have the voice to make decision for lead to the Noah. And one thing I say, the Noah actually based on the community-based DAO model. And then obviously we make decision between the DAO community. Even though I'm in the origin 1 year and 8 months, there is none of DAO meeting until even today. But the Noah, we already proved, okay, we had a meeting, we make decision, we change it. So in any day, if we have a DAO model, everything will make decision by the DAO people. So that's the real community base of the DAO organization. So that's why I'm very happy for that. And also, if you want to try the Rafi model, of course, you can try the Rafi model, but this is not our control of the project. So we can't guarantee what's happened or sort of stuff. So this is for me. And then any question?
Can we use a SafePal wallet?
What's a SafePal wallet?
SafePal is another type
This
of wallet.
one?
Yeah, SafePal.
Yep. This is one of the Rafi model as well.
SafePal, right?
Yep, one is a DM, one is the Aura, one is the Rocks, one is the Nature 5, sorry. So any model you can go and try if you want to try.
Another one is a TokenPocket.
TokenPocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know the TokenPocket. So whatever you want to try, go and try and see how it works. And then this is all obviously open market. I'm not here to, oh my God, no one will be the best project, all sort of stuff. But one thing I believe, any project you go community-based is the number one. So you pick and choose, but I'm not here to push to any project. But I'm sure I'm still stick with the Noah. I know that most of project I went through all the things with the consultant and behind the boss. But yeah, I still believe the Noah will be the one. We pick all sort of good things. So I still have a face with Noah, and then I hope you guys we are all same page. But if you know anything, I'm happy to share. So let me know. See how open I am. I open to everything. So I will tell it. Any question?
Let's wrap up what you said in this
Yep.
presentation. By the way, Jose was asking if SafePal could be used with Noah, and then he wasn't talking about any other projects or anything else. He was talking about the wallet, if we could use that wallet.
SafePal. What's the SafePal wallet?
It's a decentralized wallet like TokenPocket, like MetaMask, like Trust Wallet. SafePal is a wallet.
I don't know. You share with me. I will look into it, and then we make decision with the DAO meeting. And then if the DAO leaders say they like it, we can go forward.
Okay, yeah. So let's wrap up with what you said.
Yes.
So according to what you said, let me say what I understood. We are still, in phase one. So we
Yep.
are still selling NFTs, and as soon as it is, sold out, the amount we have,
Yep.
we are still going to 2.0. The thing is with 2.0 is that we are no longer using the Olympus DAO model because according to the search that has been done with the Olympus DAO, it's a good model, but it's not the one that is going to take Noah to the levels and to the height that the developers and obviously us as members would like. So that's why the mechanism, the protocol is going to be changed to this LAF, and which has been proof that it can take the coin many X up compared to the Olympus DAO. So
Yes.
that's what we have right now in mind. It's not, it hasn't been adopted yet because it has to be adopted by the DAO, which by the way, right now, any person that can reach a rank have to do it, have to push to get a rank, either B1. If you already B1, go to B2. If you're B2, try to go to B3 before all these NFTs are gone, because it's going to be a possibility, a real possibility that every person from B1 and up could be part of the DAO. I think that's going to be voted. I will suggest that, and I will vote for it in our next DAO meeting, so that every person with at least a B1 rank has a vote. And guys, if you are not B1 yet, try to be B1 as soon as possible so that you can be part of the voting, not just now, but forever while Noah is running, which is going to be many years from now. So bottom line is that we are changing from one mechanism, from one protocol to another, but we are changing for the better, because the LAF, the LAF, is really well known for its benefits, because normally whichever project is adopting this mechanism, this protocol, the coin keeps going up and very rarely or never going down. So that's why it's being analyzed. That's why it's being observed by the top leadership of the project and the developers. That's what you said, right?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So you know now why we should, keep moving, keep growing, keep focusing on Noah, because what is coming is really better than we have expected before, the way I see it. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so
Hold
much for
on.
joining,
Hold
and
on.
thank you very much for the Louis. Absolutely great.
Hold
And
on.
then
Hold on. So basically, there is no more the 8 hour. It's not like no more than that one. From my understanding, it's no longer the 8 hour compounding. Okay, we're gonna have something similar. We're gonna have something similar.
I will let you know, because at the moment, obviously, my brain is blank every 8 hours. I don't think
He's
so.
talking about the Olympus DAO mechanism that is
Mhm.
used in Origin, where
Yeah,
people with the staking,
yeah.
every
I
eight
will. Yeah.
hours they get X percentage. So he's asking if this model with the changing from Olympus DAO to LAF is still going to be the same model, or is going to be a new model. That's what he wants to know.
Yes, I know. I will get back to you with this question. So I will leave on the group chat the answer. Any question? If you don't have any question, once we hang up the phone, I will call Dr. Abu, Ellen, or head of the Chinese community. And then as soon as I hear the answer, I will leave the group chat on Telegram. And then I will see you on Sunday, the same time. Maybe not same time. So please check up the time, and I see you on Sunday Zoom meeting. I will bring my update if I have. I try to ask that maybe head of a community come along, or Ellen come along, Dr. I will come along.